Okay, so just in case this door is too inconvenient for you and you need another passenger door, there you go, new passenger door.
I think that'll work.
Just another example of how rotten this Winnebago was. This took no tools. I tore this off with my hand.
Just like that.
Yep. I mean, there's supposed to be screws in here and stuff, but they're rotten.
Well, now there's officially nothing holding on the front end. Except for maybe the floor. Yeah, the fire extinguisher is still intact.
Oh, easy access.